Yeah.
What news?
A poor life this is, if full of care. I'm not